In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly stream simultaneously to Twitch and YouTube using Restream. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just getting started, this guide will walk you through every step to make the process easy and straightforward. First off, you'll need to log into your Restream account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, signing up is quick and simple. Navigate over to the Restream website and create an account by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your streams. Next, let's get your streaming channels set up. Click on Channels, or it might be labeled as Add Channels, depending on the interface version you're using. This is where you'll connect your Twitch and YouTube accounts to Restream. Start with Twitch by selecting its icon. You'll need to log into your Twitch account if you're not already logged in, and authorize Restream by granting it access to your Twitch stream. Once that's done, you'll see Twitch listed as one of your active channels. Now, let's move on to adding YouTube. Similarly, choose the YouTube icon from the available options. You'll have the opportunity to select your specific channel or an event you might have scheduled. After logging in, make sure to grant all necessary permissions to Restream to interface with your YouTube account. With both Twitch and YouTube added as destinations, you're almost ready to start streaming across both platforms simultaneously. Now it's time to choose your streaming method. For this tutorial, we'll focus on using the browser through Restream Studio. In your Restream dashboard, click on New Stream and then select Studio. Upon entering the studio, you'll need to allow access to your camera and microphone within your browser settings. This step is crucial to ensure that your live stream has both video and audio. Once your equipment is configured, you can start setting up your stream's visual elements. Restream Studio offers a range of options to customize your broadcast. You can create scenes, add various sources, and include overlays if you wish to enhance viewer engagement. Before going live, give your stream some context. This means filling in details like the stream's title, a brief description, and a thumbnail if the platform supports it. Small details that can make your stream stand out and attract viewers. The last step involves making sure that both Twitch and YouTube are toggled on as active channels for your stream. When you've completed all your preparations and are satisfied with how everything looks, it's time for the moment of truth. Click on Go Live. Instantly, your stream will broadcast to both Twitch and YouTube audiences at the same time. And there you have it. With Restream's powerful tools, you can easily reach a wider audience by streaming across multiple platforms simultaneously. Thanks for watching and happy streaming!